Guys, it's your boy Melchor Jr. Today we are back with another video. So, ngayon guys, kakain tayo ng fishball.
Fishball, guys.
Fishball, yan yung fishball. So,
It's hot, guys. It's hot. It's hot.
kakain tayo ng fishball ngayon.
It's hot.
Kaya nung tayo nakain guys.
It's hot, guys.
Hindi pa ginawa nila, guys.
Bakit mo pinapakita yung fishball?
Sabi guys.
Yan ah. Sarap yan ah.
Ketchup. Ah! It's hot, guys. It's hot.
Yan guys oh. Mahanghang na ketchup. Yan guys yung nilagay ko mahanghang na ketchup guys. Let's go eat it.
Kunin mo
3,
yung-
2, 1. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe guys
Mahanghang na ketchup yung tinitira.
before I eat this. 3, 2, 1. Like and subscribe before I eat this. 1, 2, 3, go. It's so good. Wow.
Ano?
Do you guys like and subscribe? Comment down below.
Okay.
Kung muna tayo ng kung ngayon dito.
Fishball, guys.
Yan, fishball.
Martin ketchup.
Kuluwag?
Oh my god.
I am not picky, guys.
This is blue. This is kainin as well.
Ha? Ay, kita nila.
Hey, blah blah. Hey, blah blah. Let's go. So eat this.
It's like not picky, but like your life ketchup, guys.
Like and subscribe. So,
Matagal
let's do that real
yan.
quick.
Matagal ako yan. I am not
Two
picky, guys.
fishball at the same time. Let's go eat it.
Fishball.
Oh my frick.
Wala.
Chop. Chop guys. Oh my god. Cheers. I'm gonna eat 3 fishball at the same time guys. 3 fishball. Okay guys.
Oh! No, no!
What?
Because, na. No! No! Oh, guys.
Nak.
Oh! Click guys, in the loob.